In the world of business, being prepared for emergencies is the mark of a responsible and forward-thinking organization. So today we're going to explore the importance of building a first aid response team. Creating a first aid response team is about having the right people in the right place at the right time to take immediate action during emergencies. Let's discover how this team can be a lifeline in critical situations. So here are the key aspects to consider: selecting and training your team members, establishing clear roles and responsibilities, maintaining up-to-date first aid skills, ensuring access to necessary equipment and supplies, conducting regular first aid drills and assessments. Building a first aid response team is not just about having a team, it's about having that preparedness and that proactive team. It's about knowing that when the unexpected happens, you have a dedicated team ready to respond effectively. Building a first aid response team is not just a plan, it's an insurance of safety in times of need. Because in your workplace, preparedness is the key to a safer and more resilient future.